Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about one very important question. So this question has been asked by one of the viewers in the comment section. So the question is that why BPSK is plus minus one in case of PSS SSS channel, whereas it is a different value for a BPSK modulation scheme. Okay, in case of NR. Okay, so first let me decode the question. The thing is like PSS SSS. Okay, for these signals, um, if we plot these signals, we will get something like this. Okay, all the samples will fall under this point and this point. Whereas if we do BPSK modulation after BPSK modulation block, we will see that the samples are lying at these 2 points. Okay, so why is such a difference is the question. So actually for that we need to understand PSS and SSS. So this PSS and SSS, these are the reference signals, right, in the downlink. And the downlink means basically from the base station, this will be transmitted to the UV. How this PSS and SSS are generated at the base station. Okay, what blocks are involved? Very simple. The thing is maybe one block consisting of sequence generation related to PSS and SSS as per 3GPP spec. Okay, signal generation. Then maybe a mapping to subcarriers and further transmitting over the air. Okay, in the downlink. So as such, the point to be noted is that there is no modulation block involved here. There is no modulation block, and at the receiver side there is no demodulation block. So we are not going to use the equation related to BPSK modulation here. So then why do we see the constellation points or something like this? Okay, so for that let me go to the spec. Okay, and then it would be very clear. Okay, right now I have opened the spec. So this is related to 3GPP technical specification 38211 and the 16.2 version. Okay, so this is the BPSK modulation, and this is the equation to be used. It takes one bit and map it to the complex modulation symbol. So one bit, right, 0 or 1. So we have this. Let's say if I give 0, then what will I get? It will be 1 by square root of 2 into 1 plus j. If it is actually 1, I will get 1 by square root of 2 into minus 1 minus j. So basically if you look, this will look like this. Okay, so after BPSK modulation for various other channels like PUSCH or in case of PUCCH and things like that. So wherever BPSK is applied to whichever channel, if you plot the constellation, it would look like this. Okay, it would look like this. But now let us go to PSS and SSS. So that's there in section. Okay, all right. So that's there in the section 7.2 synchronization signals, especially PSS. Okay. So here, if you clearly see, there is a sequence generation equation. So this is the equation. This is given by this formula x of m. So m value is given by this one. Okay, m value will not exceed more than 127. Okay, it will be 0 to 126, and so n value is also given here. Basically, if you see, this x of m, right? The initial values are given till x of 0 to x of 6. If you want more than this, then you need to apply this formula, right, to get, let's say, x of 7. Then what I need to do, x of 4 plus x of 0. So 0 is here, there is 0, 0 plus x of 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, which is 1, will become 1. 1 mod 2 is again 1. So x of 7 will be 1, like that. If you take all the sequences, then finally you will end up 0 1 0 1. Okay, Now when you substitute this x of m, which is containing only 0 1, okay, this is a kind of gold sequence. If you substitute in this particular equation, what will you get? Let's say if it is 0, then you will get 1. If it is 1, 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Okay, so the values will be 1, either 1 or minus 1. So once you generate this sequence, before mapping it to subcarrier, if you plot this, then definitely it would look like this, right? So all the samples would fall under these 2 points, and it looks like a BPSK constellation. But this should not be getting this you should not get confused with the actual BPSK modulation scheme. Okay, so this is just a sequence. Once you plot that sequence, you will see the points lying at these two locations. So even the same thing is true for SSS. So you can now try out for SSS. So go to the equation and initial values, you will see the same explanation holds good, and that's why you will see the points in this way. I hope the concept is clear. For more videos, please do subscribe. If you want to appreciate, then appreciate by subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.